Hello folks, Mohammed is here from Chupam Farm. This is just going to be a very quick video follow-up about the previous one that I had issue with the tractor and I couldn't lift the hay bales. And after the previous video, I concluded that the problem is not really the hay spear. The problem is the seal inside of the cylinder, and that was the case. I took the two cylinders, one here and the other one here. I took both of them to a hydraulic shop and they opened it up and they realized that yeah, it is correct, the seal is completely gone. And they replaced the seal, cleaned it up, and sanded the shaft, everything, full service on that. It costed me about $300 per cylinder, so two of them about $600. And the place is called ETI. It is located in Loveland, Colorado, for folks who are local, and they do a good job. And overall I was happy with the price and the service. The only thing I wasn't happy was the hose attachment inside. It was a little loose, and the reason that I know I didn't make it loose when I brought it back is because they painted the whole thing and there was a paint over that hose connection. And after I attached everything, then the first time I raised the loader, I realized there's a huge leak, so I had to open up everything, all these attachments, bring it down and tighten those hose attachments directly to the cylinder. And it was the case for both of them. And after that there was no issue. It was just, you can see actually the splash of the hydraulic oil here, so it was a little messy work, but overall I was happy with the work that they did. And I attached everything, and I already tested that on the hay bale, but the video is going to be after this talk, so you can see how it's working in action. All right, thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys again with more videos.